Hello guys, today let's see to check our HR number 1 before the shipping. One box contains what kinds of accessories including the box. Okay, open, start. Here is the menu, okay, English menu, and here is the cutting template, okay, and covered with a foam. Then it's the first level. It includes the lock body. This is the front panel, okay. This is the rear panel, okay. Inside, under the level, okay, the bottom floor, okay, covers the lock body, the mortise. We call it mortise, okay. The lock body usually is 50-50, 50, like this. We call it size, okay. And this is the accessories for screws. 2 pieces Mifer cap and 2 pieces of maternal key. So for the mortise, factory defaulted is 22 plus 160. This is 22. Here, the width is 22 and the length is 160. This is the factory defaulted. But I have other options of the dimensions. So before you order, we can double check what's the kind of dimension of the mortise is more fit for your requirement. So we can double check that. And the locker for HI number 2, it works different app. To your smart Wi-Fi, to your smart Bluetooth, and the TT-lock. So you need to double check with your market of your clients, which app is more better fit your requirement. So we can provide on your request. Okay. Thank you.